Why shall I use Panorama? I think everything sounds in the middle very good. No, you should use Panorama quite a lot for your mix. Let's have a look. Here we have a simple 16th percussion line. This one sounds pretty mono-ish and boring. It's not interesting at all. So let's have a try to use an auto pan to move it to the left and right side in a rhythm. Don't use Panorama on very extreme settings because you will lose your monocompatibility settings. The monocompatibility is very important for small speaker systems, for example like boom boxes and other stuff, and other systems playing just in mono. So don't use 100% on that. This feels good. It's still mono-compatible and spreads the sound a lot to the left and right. You can use this technique also on other drums, synthesizers, hi-hats, whatever you like. And try to draw the Panorama lines by yourself into the automation mode.